Ben and I had been meaning to make a trip like this all summer, but a few weeks ago we kind of realized it was now or never. It's only going to get colder. So even though the flow was down to 130 CFS and winds were blowing 30 miles an hour, we decided to give it a go.
Stuck on a sandbar myself. Okay, I think I really might have lost Ben. He's upstream there somewhere, but I haven't seen him for a few minutes now. Okay, I found Ben. He's right here. That was Ben zigged when I zagged, but we're back together now. Ben got a beaver back there. GPS is saying we've come about 3/4 mile and we have 3.5 to go. So we'll haul out and have lunch in a little bit. Just had some lunch and then we're getting back at it. We're just beating up wind.
It would be fun to try sailing. It's exciting. You can like feel that wind and like
Yeah.
It's kind of windy. Pete Lean and Sons has a gravel quarry here. We're about 3/4 through. Here we are both grounded. We made it! This is Interstate 90.